Hi, this is Jade Edmondson, and I am giving a tutorial on dictionary.com. This is a website that you can pull up on a computer, or they also have an app for this that we have on our iPads for students. So you can use this to help students with spelling a word. It can help them find synonyms and antonyms for a word. It can help them find the part of speech for a word, and it's got more options than that, but those are the main three that I normally have students use it for. I'll show you two different examples of objectives that I would use this website for with students. Number one, I'm going to show you how a student might use this website to help spell the word color. And number two, I'm going to show you how a student might use this website to help them find synonyms for the word happy, which are two very common occurrences in my classroom. This website is for student use independently, or it could also be for teacher modeling of how to use technology to answer questions and solve problems when you don't know where else to find the information. The ISTE Teacher Standard 1.B is addressed here. It has to do with solving problems using digital tools and resources. So a very simple problem, but a common problem we have in second grade often is, how do I spell this word? Well, you could go get out the giant dictionary, but that takes a really long time, and really, with the amount of spelling errors that we have going on, can take a really long time. So we've got individual student iPads, and so teaching them how to use this website to, at least if they know the first part of the word, it will give them suggested words and they can identify it on there. And another standard is the ISTE Teacher Standards 3.A, which talks about, as a teacher, demonstrating fluency using technology, how to transfer your current knowledge over to technology. And that's really something that students are able to do once we show them how to do that. So I had a student just the other day who was trying to spell the word color, and he was spelling it like this, COLER. And so if you type that into your website or app for dictionary.com, even the first suggestion they think, where is this word? Well, we can play it out loud and I can decide whether that was the word that I meant to say or not. Kohler. So I say, okay, no, that's not it. Well, this is a great chance for my students to look through these words, read these words, and identify which was the word that they were actually trying to write. Well, if you look at it right here, cooler, color, the student was able to pretty quickly see, oh, that was the word that I meant. And if I'm not sure, then let me click the sound button. Color. Okay, that was the word I wanted to find. Now I know how to spell it. I can actually just ignore all the rest of the stuff unless I want to read it and make sure that that was the right word. The definition makes sense for what word I was trying to find. But he just keeps this pulled up on his iPad. He uses it to copy down the word into his writing and fix his spelling mistake. Pretty simple. The other way that I'm going to show you how to use it would be like if you want a student to work on their word choice. So we use the word happy a lot to describe how we're feeling in my classroom. So if I say, let's go on here and type in happy. Well, here it gives us definition, but you can also click over here and look for synonyms instead. So brought me over actually to the thesaurus.com website, but it's all part of the same website. So if I scroll down here, happy, I can play it loud, but they've got all sorts of synonyms. These first ones that are highlighted are going to be the ones that they think might work the best for me. So as I'm working with the student, I might have them pull this up and say, let's look at what sentence you are using. Could you use one of these words instead? Cheerful, contented, delighted, ecstatic, elated, glad, joyful, joyous, jubilant. A student can pick one out and they can insert that into their writing, and it's just a great way to find it instead of having to pull out an actual physical thesaurus, which I don't even think we really have enough copies for students to use anymore. This is great to address just simple problems like that we run into with our writing. So anyways, I'm sure that older students Google stuff like this, but for my students, having the app on it and teaching them that that's where they go when they need to find a word or a synonym has been really helpful. Thank you.